Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making this beautiful marble trinket dish using BeyodMix. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by mixing the powder and the liquid of BeyodMix in the ratio of 2.5:1 and mix it really nice until it's well combined and there are no lumps. So I'll be attempting to make the classic black and white marbling. So the background of white with streaks of black. The BeyodMix is already off-white in color, so I don't have to put any kind of color into it. So for the black, I'm actually trying to put just 1 or 2 tiny drops into the white mixture, but the pigment that I had was slightly more thicker in nature and it was not actually dropping from my popsicle stick. So what I decided to do was take a little bit of the BeyodMix, the white mixture, into a different cup, just a little bit, and I put the black pigment into the mixture and mixed it really nice until the black pigment mixed nicely with the BeyodMix. So this way I was able to get a more fluid BeyodMix. So now what I'll do is I'll put 1 or 2 drops of this into the white mixture. The color tint that I used was not from BeyodMix, hence it was slightly more thicker in nature. Usually BeyodMix provides a more fluid color tint. Alright, so now my black mix is ready. So what I'm going to do is try and put 1 to 3 drops of the black into the white mixture. So with the popsicle stick, I'm dropping 2 to 4 drops and then just swirling a little bit. So the popsicle stick, I'm not putting all the way through, so maybe somewhere until the middle. Only a little bit of swirls, not too much, else you lose the marble texture. Once you're happy with the swirls and the marble texture, pour the mixture into the mold in one go. Oh, check it out. Check out those beautiful texture. Once the mold is filled, tap the sides in order to get rid of the air bubbles. Then I'll allow this to completely harden, so we'll come back to do this after 1 to 2 hours. So I'm hoping that whatever marble texture I can see on this side, the same thing is there on the opposite side. It's been 2 hours, so let's demold this very gently. Moment of truth. Let's see how it did. Here we go. Oh, wow. Wow, not bad, not bad. Oh, I think it's turned out beautiful. What do you think, guys? So do try this out, guys. It's pretty simple to do and you get these wonderful textures. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you soon in the next one.